Hello, class, and welcome to Total Rewards for the fall 2022 semester. My name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor this semester. I'm so happy to have each one of you in class. It's going to be a great semester. And again, I think what's so great about this class is that what you will learn will follow you not just in your managerial career, but through your entire working life. Because everything that we learn about Total Rewards and compensation, whether you're a frontline employee all the way to the president of a company, these concepts you will use sometimes on a daily basis. Because if you think about it, we all work for kind of the same reason, to get paid and to have benefits, and that's what this class is really all about. So I think what you will learn will be very, very beneficial. So, again, my name is Justin. You can call me Justin. You don't have to call me whenever you email me or respond to a post of mine. You don't have to call me Dr. Lacey or Professor Lacey. Justin is just fine. So, I'll be using your first name, so feel free to use my first name. I'm pretty informal, so you don't have to worry about any formal titles. So, my current, even though I teach this class, I've been teaching this class since 2017, I think. So I've done this for many, many semesters, and I just love it. You'll notice that I am currently at St. Louis University in St. Louis, Missouri. I am the Director of Institutional Equity and Diversity. I've been in human resources since 2004, so most of my career I've been in human resources, so I'm very, very familiar with these concepts, and again, I just love teaching this class. But I am a poke, actually. I did my undergraduate at Oklahoma State from 2000 to 2004, so long, long time ago. But again, I'm a diehard Cowboy, and actually, I worked at OSU from July of 2017 through January of 2020. I relocated to Stillwater up here to St. Louis, but I was the Director of Consulting Services and Equal Opportunity at Oklahoma State. So not only am I a graduate of OSU, but I worked at OSU in human resources for 3 years. So again, I just love the university, and and I can't stand that team down in Norman. So anything you want to post OSU that's pro OSU, I'm all glad to hear it. So that's my favorite part about being a Cowboy. So. You will notice that in the modules, I post one module per week. I usually don't post things ahead because, the material that we cover can be very, very detailed. So I try to go at a steady pace throughout the semester. So I usually don't post, modules, in the future for that reason. So, but every week, usually on Monday is when I post that week's module. Anything I post on Monday, we usually just do on Sunday, unless I tell you differently in the instructions. Now, for a lot of the discussion boards that we do, and we do a lot of them, there's usually going to be 2 due dates, one on Thursday for your initial post, and then responses to at least 2 classmates by Sunday. And again, so with any assignment that I post, make sure that you read the due dates very carefully, because on a lot of them, there are more than 1 due date. So sometimes there's just 1, but a lot of times there's 2 due dates. So make sure that you don't miss those. If by any chance during the semester you tend to fall behind, because I understand things happen. You get sick, you have, parent or kid issues, whatever, work gets in the way. Send me an email and let me know if you fall behind. Maybe you and I can work something out, because again, I would love if everybody got an A in this class. I really do. So hopefully, we can try to work to get you the grade that you want. This is a combined class in that there is both undergraduates and graduates in this section, so you'll be interacting with both. If you look at the syllabus, you'll notice that all the assignments are listed for everybody, but for the graduate students, you do have 2 additional assignments, 2 papers. Sorry, graduates, you'll have more work than the undergrads. But again, I will make sure to post that information in that you'll know whether or not it is for both. If I don't say anything and just say it's for everybody, but if it's just for the graduate students, I will make sure highlight it very clear that it's just for graduate students only. But again, that if you see the syllabus, it'll kind of follow what we do each week. So. Again, I am so looking forward to having each one of you in class this semester. If you have any questions about the syllabus, please let me know. The textbook you can either have the hard copy version or the online version. They're both the same. Just make sure that you have the 13th edition, because a lot of the assignments that we do throughout the semester, I will make reference to specific pages in the 13th edition. So if you have a different edition, it may not line up the same. So I would highly recommend that you use the 13th edition this semester. So. Again, so happy to have you in class. Module number 1 is posted, so go ahead and get started on it. You have 2 assignments this week, 1 discussion board, and then a comp survey question page to fill out. Both are going to be due this coming Sunday, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and I look forward to having each one of you in class, and most importantly, go Pokes. Thanks, everyone.